Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Bluetooth icon missing error in Windows 11 taskbar. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to navigate here at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you have typed it, directly proceed at the best match, which is a settings. Click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and by that, you would be able to open the settings window. Once you are here at the settings, directly proceed at the left side of that where you can see there a list of options. Now all you need to do is you need to click on Bluetooth and devices which contains the Bluetooth icon, tap the net, and under the Bluetooth and devices tab, you need to scroll down. Okay, all you need to do is you need to scroll down and go with devices. So click on it. And the moment you have to click on the devices, here, please proceed by scrolling down again. And this time you need to proceed with related settings, which is under to it, you can see there more Bluetooth settings next to send or receive files via Bluetooth. So tap the net and the moment you have tapped on it, a Bluetooth settings window would appear where here you need to close the settings window first so that you can focus on the Bluetooth settings. Now it contains three important options which are options, comforts, and hardware. Now all you need to do is you need to proceed with the options and under to it, you can see there, show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Okay? So all you need to do is you need to turn it on. The reason why your Bluetooth icon is missing in your taskbar is that you have turned it off. Okay? So in order to show it in the taskbar or to show it at the hidden icons, you can click on this to turn it on. And once you have turned it on, go with apply and then OK. In that moment, you need to restart your computer. So navigate here at the start icon, click on it. Go with your power menu options, click on restart. The moment you have click on restart, check if your Bluetooth icon is now showing here, aligning the taskbar, or it can be in show hidden icons. So check if your Bluetooth icon is now showing the moment you have restarted or relaunched your Windows again. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment in the comment section below if you have succeeded on turning on or fixing your Bluetooth icon which is missing in your taskbar. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.